This video guitar lesson is chords that every acoustic guitar player should know. One of the most common keys to play the acoustic guitar in is the key of G major. So if you learn all 7 chords in the key of G major, you can play literally thousands of songs and you can write your own songs. The first chord is the G major chord. For these first 6 chords, I have detailed video tutorials on each of them. I'll put the links in the description. In the videos, I not only show how to play this traditional way of playing the chords, but also several different ways that might be easier or just so you can get a different sound. So please check out those videos in the description. The second chord is A minor. Chord number 3 is B minor. The B minor chord is the only bar chord in this video. I'd like to share a few tips. You put your first finger on the 2nd fret of all of the first 5 strings of the guitar like this. And you squeeze your thumb and your first finger together like that. Then you place these fingers here, put it all together. Chord number 4 is the C major chord. Chord number 5 is the D major chord. Chord number 6 is the E minor chord. I played that chord with my middle finger and my ring finger, but depending on which chord you play after and before it, and what song you're doing, you can use your first finger, your index finger, and your middle finger like that. That might be helpful if you're switching to a C chord immediately after, because you just put your ring finger there, lift up your first finger and bring it down here. So you can go from C to E minor very fast. But if you're going to the G chord next, you do have to switch to these fingers. Unless you play the G chord like this, then you can just move the fingers there like that. But if you play the G like this is a good E minor. And now for the 7th chord. So if you follow the piano, this chord should be diminished, but I don't think I've ever seen anybody play it. Usually what I've seen is what's called a slash chord, and in this case it's D slash F sharp, or another way of saying it is D over F sharp. Here's how to do it. So I'm playing a regular D chord, but then I bring my thumb up over here to play the F sharp. That's the 2nd fret of the low E string. And I let the A string ring open. So it's like that. Another way to play it is to just switch your D chord fingers like that, and then bring your first finger up here, play it like that. Well, I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments. I really want to hear from you. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and please share this video on your social media and email it out to other guitar players. I really appreciate that. I appreciate you. My name is Brett. Just search GuitarIncrease on YouTube to watch more videos. Thank you so much.